This ESLITE non-stick ceramic frying pan is like a blank canvas for your culinary creations. It boasts a smooth, non-stick ceramic surface. Eggs glide like figure skaters, and omelets flip with the grace of a gymnast. This pan makes cooking simple, and cleaning is even simpler. Food doesn't stick, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious meals. It's also PFOA free, which is a big plus for your health and peace of mind. The 8-inch size of this ESLITE non-stick ceramic frying pan is perfect for single servings or small side dishes. It comes with a lid, and this helps trap heat and moisture for even cooking. Whether you have a gas, electric, or induction stovetop, this pan is compatible. It heats up quickly and evenly, so you won't have hot spots that can burn your food. This pan is a reliable partner in your kitchen, and it makes everyday cooking less of a chore. For anyone looking for a dependable and easy-to-use frying pan, the ESLITE non-stick ceramic frying pan is a solid choice. It's non-toxic, easy to clean, and works on all types of stoves. While you might find fancier pans with more bells and whistles, this one gets the job done well without any fuss. It's a practical tool for your daily cooking needs, and it won't break the bank. It's a good value for the year, especially if you prioritize simplicity and convenience in your kitchen. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-toxic coating, PTFE and PFOA free, healthy cooking, less oil needed, with a lid included. All stovetops, induction ready, even heat, durable. Make cons: lid handle assembly, durability is questioned, non-stick not lasting, some report sticking. Cleaning can be hard, quality has issues, reports of leaking, missing some parts, instant results, potential for warping. Features: includes a lid 8-inch size, non-toxic, PTFE, PFOA free, for omelets, eggs, all stovetops, gas, electric, induction, black color, easy to clean, durable build. This black 8-inch ESLITE frying pan has a non-stick ceramic coating, so food like eggs and omelets won't stick. It's made without harmful chemicals called PTFE and PFOA, making it a non-toxic choice for your kitchen. You can use this pan on all kinds of stoves, including gas, electric, and induction. It comes with a lid and is designed to be easy to clean and last a long time. The ESLITE non-stick ceramic frying pan is designed for healthy cooking with its non-toxic, PTFE and PFOA-free coating, allowing for less oil use and easy cleaning. And it comes with a lid. It can be used on all types of stoves, including induction, and is made to heat evenly. However, some users have questioned its long-term durability and non-stick ability, with reports of food sticking and difficulty in cleaning over time. There have also been mentions of quality issues, leaking, missing parts, inconsistent cooking results, and the potential for the pan to warp.